In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know how to share an existing calendar, create a new one just for sharing, and control exactly who can see what. This is perfect for coordinating with teams, family, or anyone who needs to stay in the loop. Start by opening Google Calendar and signing in. Before you share, decide whether you want to use an existing calendar or create a new one dedicated to sharing. Creating a separate calendar is a great way to keep personal events private. To make a new calendar, look to the left sidebar for other calendars. Select the plus icon, then choose Create New Calendar. Give it a clear name and an optional description so people know its purpose, and click Create Calendar. You'll see it appear in your list, and you can even color code it to keep things organized. Next, open the calendar settings. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left, scroll down to Settings for My Calendars. Choose the calendar you want to share. This ensures you're updating the correct one, which is especially helpful if you manage multiple calendars. Now, adjust access permissions. Scroll to access permissions for events. If you want maximum visibility, you can make the calendar available to the public. This means anyone can find it via a link, and it may appear in search results. Use this only for information you're comfortable sharing broadly. If you prefer a more controlled approach, choose Get a Shareable Link. With this option, anyone who has the link can view the calendar, but it won't be searchable, so it's a bit more private. Copy that link and share it wherever your audience needs it. If you want to share with specific people, continue scrolling to share with specific people. Click Add People, enter their email addresses, and choose their permission level. You can let them only view events, see event details, make changes to events, or even manage sharing with others if you trust them to help administer the calendar. Pick the lightest access that still lets them do what they need. They'll receive an email invitation and can access the calendar immediately after accepting. That's it. Your calendar is now shared, whether publicly, via a private link, or directly with selected people. As a quick tip, review your event details for sensitive information before sharing, and consider time zones if your audience is spread out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Calendar tips and tutorials.